It wouldn't be wrong to confess that India is indeed the curry bowl of the world. Well, on that note, let's make a very popular curry from the tourism capital of India, Goa. And I'm making a Goan fish curry. Hey guys, this is Varun Inamdar and welcome to Get Curried. For the Goan fish curry, the fish that I've chosen to use is a pomfret. So let's first begin with marinating the pomfret. I've used a whole large pomfret which I've nicely cleaned, gutted, washed and given it a few gashes. To this I'm adding some turmeric and of course some salt. Let's rub this onto the fish on either sides. Let's massage this well. Ensure you fill in all these gashes and the cuts. Remember to do this on the opposite side as well. And fish being a very soft white meat, you do not need to marinate it for too long. 10 minutes is absolutely perfect. In those 10 minutes, let's make the masala. For the masala, the ingredients that we would need are fresh coconut. I'm going to roughly slice the coconut. Well, if you have some time at hand and if you want to grate it, choice is yours. To this, I'm going to add in 5 to 6 chillies, dried red chillies which I've soaked in some warm water, some coriander seeds, a few cloves of garlic, some peppercorns, some cumin seeds, half an onion. Well, I'm using red onions because red onions are easily available in Goa. To this, I'm also adding in some green chilies and finally, just a touch of ginger. I'm just roughly going to peel it and chop it as roughly. Well, let's smoothen this first. After running it in the grinder just for a few seconds, I'm going to scrape the sides off and add in a tablespoonful of tamarind which has been soaked again in warm water. With this, we'll also add in some water and this time we need to grind this in a nice, fine and smooth paste. Let's check the paste. Well, nice and smooth, exactly the way we are looking at. Well, let's move on to heating a wok, a kadhai or any vessel that you deem fit to cook a fish curry. And this is a curry which does not use any kind of oil or tempering. So let's transfer this mix into the wok and add in 2 cupfuls of water. We need to increase the flame. After adding in the water, the next ingredient of course is salt. Remember we had added salt earlier while marinating the fish as well, but this is purely for the curry. Let's give this a good mix. Cover this and cook it for 10 minutes on high flame. It's been 10 minutes and the curry has been bubbling well. Well, here, if you quickly check, there are a few specks of oil which are floating on the surface of the curry. This is nothing but the natural coconut oil which has been released from the fresh coconut. Time to add in the marinated fish. Let's splash the curry on top of the fish. Cover this and cook it for another 8 to 10 minutes or till the pomfret is completely well cooked. It's been 10 minutes and the pomfret seems to be perfectly cooked. Let's add in a few slit green chilies and now let's begin the plating. Very carefully, you need to lift the fish because it's perfectly cooked and you do not want the fish to break. Let's pour the curry on top. With this, your simple home-style Goan fish curry is done and ready. And trust me, this goes amazingly well with steamed rice. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Get Curried.